si Ate Princess. Kayo po ito, tabi po tayo dapat.
Sige na, photographer ako.
Okay, sabay-sabay tayo kakanta kay once you're ready, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ate, na kuryente ka na, oh. Okay, isa pang kanta, ha? Okay, wait lang, excited. Wait lang. Okay, once already sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Siyempre mag-i-vlog ni Ate Princess kasi ba mag-wish si Lola, tsaka si Tita. Sino naman gusto niyo? Si Lola, si Lola. Si Lola na lang. Lola, wish mo?
Wish ko lang kay Princess ay maging bata, masunod, mag-aral, mabuti.
Kaya pala baka natin ang wish ni Lola. Si Tita natin ang wish mo. Tita, wish mo
Good health, yun lang.
that's all? Okay, haba naman ang kasi. Isa pang kanta kasama pangalan natin ready sing. Happy birthday, Princess. Happy birthday, Princess. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Princess. Ate, close your eyes. Magkakount ako ng 3 din. 1, 2, 3, blow!